I'm grateful I've gotten to know my staff and many of our customers very well over the past 4 years, and proud of the extended family that I have here at Whitecap and in Slave Lake. We're in for some challenging times ahead, and I want to assure you that the safety of our staff and our customers is of the utmost importance. Here at Whitecap, our commitment still is to providing great customer service. Transportation is critical at a time like this. Right now, our priority is to service and repair essential service vehicles so our first responders are not delayed. To our valuable customers, if you're coming into Whitecap, rest assured that we've increased our cleaning process in all areas. Our door handles are being disinfected, our debit machines are cleaned after every transaction, and our staff have been told to stay home if they are ill. If you don't feel comfortable coming into the dealership, we have a few different options for you. If you are in need of service, we can pick up your vehicle for you, or you can drop it off and use our key drop slot. When your vehicle work is completed, we can deliver it to you if you're within 25 kilometers of Slave Lake, or arrange a safe pickup. If you're looking for parts, you can shop online at whitecapgm.com. Our parts department will get a copy of your order and they will contact you for payment and arrange for delivery or pickup. If your mode of transportation is irreparable and you do need to replace it, all of our vehicles are on the website with pictures and pricing, as well as a secured credit application to get you started if needed. If you want to test drive something, let us know and we'll bring it to you. I am proud of the fact that Whitecap has been around for 32 years, and we plan on being around for many, many more. Everything is changing hour by hour. Stay tuned to our Facebook page for updates. Together, as a community, we will get through this.